The Handmade GT-77 is one of the most remarkable examples of individual engineering creativity in the late Soviet era. Its creator, Rafik Ordyan, began dreaming of building his own car in childhood. Fascinated by technical magazines such as Young Technician and Technology for Youth, he developed strong practical skills early. By his teenage years, he had already assembled an FM radio from basic components and built a simple buggy, gaining first-hand experience in design and construction. In 1971, Ordyan began working on a far more ambitious project, a fully functional sports car. While studying cybernetics at the Yerevan Polytechnic Institute, he combined academic knowledge with self-taught skills. Engineering alone was not enough. He had to master welding, metalworking, painting, electrical systems, and even chemistry. He converted the basement of his home into a workshop despite its cramped and uncomfortable conditions. The project took 6 years of continuous effort. By June 1977, the GT-77 was completed. The car had a very low profile, just over 3 feet tall, and a fiberglass body that reduced weight and improved aerodynamics. It featured a low center of gravity and carefully designed interior details. The powertrain combined a 47-horsepower engine from the Skoda 1202 with components from the Moskvitch 412. Many smaller parts, including bolts and fittings, were handcrafted. The GT-77 quickly gained attention in Yerevan. Its bright orange color, gullwing-style doors, and hidden headlights drew large crowds wherever it appeared. Later that year, Ordyan entered the Soviet amateur vehicle competition held in Moscow. The contest included technical evaluations and a demanding 2,500 kilometers, about 1,553 miles, route from Moscow to Sevastopol. Among 35 finalists, the GT-77 stood out for its originality, engineering quality, and reliability. Ordyan was awarded the Grand Prix of the USSR. Following this success, there were plans to organize mass production at the Yerevan Automobile factory. However, these plans ended after Ordyan's sudden death in 1979 at the age of 30. Despite this, his work influenced the development of buggy and cart production in Armenia and inspired future engineers. Today, the GT-77 survives as part of the Ordyan family collection in Yerevan. It remains a symbol of determination, technical ingenuity, and the possibilities of individual craftsmanship.